Hello there and thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the vlog. Today, with Valentine's Day on the horizon, with Mother's Day coming up, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to give a bit of education on how to put together this really lovely Geo Heart die from chapter 1. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving you my discount code for getting a great discount off everything you see in this video and more on the Sizzix website. So I hope you enjoy. So here we are with the die set. So we've got the image on the front to show you exactly what it's going to look like when you've finished with it. We also have these tiny little geometric heart embellishments, which I love. And here are the dies here. I've taken this one out because I've just used this as an example to show you how to cut one and fold one of the pieces. We do have underneath here, we've got some instructions that make it really easy for you. I know that I found these really useful when I was working out how to put it together without the use of this video. So you've got that as a backup if you're still struggling, but which you shouldn't be. It's a really, really intuitive product here, and it makes something that's absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to use this to send my Valentine's Day gifts, my Mother's Day gifts. It's a box that has a lid, it opens, you know, it's a really lovely way to put something inside and show someone that you care. So let's get on with how we're going to make it. So I showed you all those die cut pieces. Now all you need to do, if you want a box that's all one colour, you're going to die cut all of these bits apart from your heart embellishments. You can choose to use them at the end, but we don't need these to make the box. So you're going to die cut this, 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 and these two pieces here. They'll all be there, so it's just every part apart from this one you'll die cut. So that's simple for you. So I've gone ahead and I've die cut this piece from some of our hibiscus cardstock from our Colour Story range here. Now what you might notice is that on this piece now we've got embossed lines. So every embossed line on here is a fold line. And what you've got to do is you've got to fold along these fold lines. So every single one, you don't need to miss any out. So that again makes it simple for you. The fold lines make it really easy to fold and crease these. You don't need the fold and form tool because we've got that line there, which is just going to make folding with precision incredibly easy. So that's the first part. You're just going to cut out all your bits and over every fold line. So I can see that there's fold lines in different directions here. I'm still going to fold over there, and you can see just with that little crease, just by kind of gently pushing it, the fold line it's going to fold along for you. How many times can I say fold in one video? There we go. So just spend that time making sure that everything is folded along this crease line, and then you'll end up with these parts here. Now the front pieces I've put together here, and then I've got my back pieces here, like so. So I've just kept these kind of together so I know what I'm doing with them. And then the rest, it's really simple. So I've got my tape roller with me. This has made it very easy for me because all I need to do now is over every tab. So the tabs like these that you know aren't going to be displayed on the card. These are obviously for folding. I just need to apply some of my tape with the roller. So I'll do that everywhere, and I've done that over all these pieces. And again, it was just really easy, really intuitive. So all I need to do now is fold it. It is adhere these all together. So everywhere where I've added a bit of adhesive, I'm going to make sure that that tab is well stuck down. And I'll do this slowly so that you can see. But the tape roller makes easy work of this. So I can see there, folded along there. I can make sure that my die cut piece edge is going along that line. And as you start to fold, it will start becoming a 3D shape. And it starts to turn into that heart. There we go. It's a really satisfying process, this. So there we are, we've got this part of the heart done. And then we just need to attach this part. So everywhere that there's a tab like this is going to go along a flat edge. You're never going to put two tabs together. I think that's a really useful bit of information there, because that might be something that you think that you need to do, maybe glue two tabs together, but you'll know which way round it needs to be held, because you can see that you're not sticking a tab to another tab. And there we go. So there is the actual box element. And how easy was that? All put together, and that's ready for me to put something really lovely. And I'm thinking, you could put love hearts in here, you could put jelly beans, you could put jewellery in here, you could put a lovely little message in here. So then the back element, it has this smaller heart here. So again, it's the same thing. Oh, I've got a tab there where I've missed my... There we are. So as long as you've folded over every line, it's going to become intuitive. So folding it like this on the inside. And I know that as I fold... Oh, I've missed quite a lot of those bits here. Need to make sure that I'm applying my tape to every one. It's incredible the precision that you can get with a tape roller. There we are, folding it in, and I can see that it's starting to take that heart shape now, that geometric heart shape. And then I will add these tabs to the back. Again, every line, you know exactly where to fold it. Because it's just intuitive. There we are. Some bits you may have to just force into place there, and we can see that it's all starting to come together and make that lovely geometric shape here. Now we've got, as with the other part, we have a piece, an extra piece that we need to add on. And also, as you fold in and as you're shaping this die set, you start to realise that the structure is added there as you fold. Like this. And there we are. So we've got that lid together. And then the last step is just to add one on top of the other. Now, if you've done it perfectly, this shouldn't be too difficult. But what you do end up is something like this, where we can just take this off. I've taken the time with this one to make sure that everything is incredibly precise, and you can see that here we've got that lovely lid that goes inside there. You just need to poke these bits to get them in. And there we are. So there we are. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope it's provided a bit of education for you. Here are just a few more examples of some of these lovely versions of this die. Here we've got it cut from some of our agave cardstock. We've got it in this lovely muted grey colour, and this is a simple plain one in the agave. So as promised, my discount code for today is Josh20. That's all one word, and you can put that in on the Sizzix website, and that's sizzix.co.uk if you're in the UK, sizzix.com if you're over in the US, and that will give you a great discount off everything you see in this video and more on the Sizzix website, so make sure you check that out. Also, for more inspiration, you can have a look on the website, or you can go to my Instagram, just type in at Josh from Sizzix, and you'll see kind of more uploads every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.